You don't need web design skills to have a clean online portfolio. There's a completely free method most people don't know about, and I'll guide you through it step by step until your site is live with your own link. First, you should go to Webflow website. It has a section called Made in Webflow. You should just search Made in Webflow. And here you can see pre-made websites using Webflow by other people. Some of these websites are clonable. We should look for portfolio websites that are clonable. I just pressed portfolio and clonable sites only. I will choose one portfolio. All of them are not portfolios. For example, one of the famous ones is this portfolio. I don't know why it isn't showing up here. Shout out to Pavel Gola, if I'm pronouncing his name right. You can use clone in Webflow. You have to create an account here. After creating an account, I will show you the process. You will land to a page like this and you should press create site. In order to create and clone a website, you have to verify your email address. You should click on this. It suggests a name for you. You can rename it to whatever you want, for example, portfolio. You will end up in a page like this. Here you can edit and add your own works here. For example, I want to put my name on it. Here, this is an SVG. It's not an editable text. So I delete this one and delete the parent of this too. I just copy the text here and duplicate this class and rename it to hero name. I want to put my name on it. Press enter and enter your name. For example, product designer based in Hof. In hero name, I want the size of the text to be based on my viewport width. So I press, for example, 7 VW as viewport width. You can repeat what I'm doing here if you don't know the terms. I will create a tutorial and fully design and develop a portfolio website later for you. This tutorial is, as I said, for the people who are not familiar with web design terms. So just copy what I'm doing here. And you can increase or decrease this number based on the length of your name. Let me preview my website here. I can bring the cursor here and try to decrease the width. In the tablet size, I have to press Alt and click on the size to set the size myself. For example, 6.5 viewport width. On the mobile landscape too, I Alt and click here. And here we go in the mobile size. In the mobile size, I will set a new size for it. For example, it's too much. I think now it's good. For the interaction part, here this has the interaction, has inherited the interaction from the text we have copied before. So I go to the interaction tab and I found this one working for us. Now you can double click in the header. We can make this one contact button. And for contact, set, for example, your email here. And you can now safely delete this one. We can put our logo here. Press upload. I can decrease its size. I want to edit this button and go to height and press up arrow to see the size. It's 46 pixel. I can press Ctrl Z. I make my navbar logo image. I delete this link block here. Control Z, Control Z. I want to put this logo in the navbar logo place. And I rename this one to nav logo and set it size to its height to 46 pixels. Now you can see my logo here. In order to change the theme color of website, we can come here. I want to change the brand color to BDFF6C. We can simply change these and all other use cases will be changed based on what we set. If you have different services available, for example, we can change this to 3D modeling. For example, web design, packaging. I'm just putting as an example. You can see that since it's an element, it is being repeated, and in this marquee you can see your services moving. I want to delete this circular read Webflow template. This is banner circle. I can delete this. Now I want to add my own projects and designs as the works. You can change any services based on what you do for your clients, or you can simply delete this whole section if you don't want to suggest any services to your website visitors. I think it's better to delete these ones since their color is not matched with our yellow color. Now I want to put my own works in the website. Worth mentioning that I will put down this template link in the video description too. For uploading your own work, you should go to CMS. He has made two CMS for us, one for projects and one for project categories. For example, in social media, in logo design. I want, for example, add my own project. I press new project. For main image, I name it add some details here. Add another one, for example, Vertigo 1958. We should set the thumbnail image too. I will copy the details from one of the existing projects just to show you. For example, this text. and you can add more images of your project. Whenever you found something redundant, for example, too many fields, you can, let me save it. You can go to this cog icon and, for example, delete any field you want. So that's, it would be more easier and manageable for you. You can choose, for example, logo design, social media, and for this one too. As you can see, the services being added to the bottom. We can also change our hero image here. For example, replace it with something else. For example, with this one. Or you can change the layout if you want. That's the easiest way to have a portfolio website without any knowledge of coding or without any payment. It's completely free and you don't need any pro accounts for having the website. There's only one step remaining, and that's the URL of your portfolio. You can come to publishing, go to the setting and go to publishing. I can navigate through dashboard too. For example, this was the website we are working on. I can go to the settings, publishing, and for example, add my name before webflow.io domain and save. Whenever I hit publish to selected domains, I can have my portfolio in this domain, and you can easily share this link on your social media or LinkedIn or whatever you want. That's the beauty of Webflow and its powerful community. And again, shout out to Pavel Gola for this awesome portfolio. And I will share the link of this template in the video description. Thank you guys for watching this video.